But this is what's headed our way. So this is going to be the mess maker. We're still several hours away from that. So actually a good 12 plus hours, in fact. 46 now at Central Park. We're at 43 in Merrick, 41 in White Plains. So along with the showers moving in this evening, there is that chance for some thunder. And as you see across Central and South Jersey, including Ocean County, it may be up a notch here. So the gusty winds, and I'll break down other impacts that we're looking at there. But count on some sunshine early on. 10 a.m. temperature, 46 degrees. Winds are light for now. We'll see those pick up later. By 4 p.m., still dry, still near 50 degrees. And yeah, by dinner time, that's when we'll start to watch the radar for those showers moving in. So more on that in a bit, but at 4:32, want to check.
How's 2024 closing out?
Well, we're seeing one storm exit, another one get in there just under the wire. We're talking about those showers and storms for areas like into Connecticut and New Jersey and the Hudson Valley. We'll stop at Kearney. We're looking at those showers arriving by this evening. Note the temperatures are mild. Big changes temperature-wise, though, ahead. That's on track in the 10-day.
All right, Maria, thank you.
New York City, but all of New York State, and you can see why. Yes, we're still watching the chance for showers, not just chance for showers, but scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms to move on through. And it really begins in that prime time where maybe you're heading to the party or you're heading and sitting in Times Square between 7 p.m. and midnight. So it's going to be wet confetti. But yeah, with that thunder possible, definitely a good day. One of those days that you want to switch on those alerts on your phone just in case. While we don't have major concerns of severe weather in and around the city from the Hudson Valley, we are looking a little bit different here for Central and South Jersey. Ocean County included in that, a little bit more elevated. The risk here, it's damaging winds, but also the possibility of hail. And there is a tornado risk. It's not high, but it's not zero. So again, one of those days to make sure you have a way to get those alerts. Timing for that, I think prime for the highest risk will be between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. when we start to see those showers move up from the southwest. So you may get a little spin, but you also see in our hour by hour the red and the orange. So with any of these showers that come on through, you're going to get that brief heavy rainfall. That poncho may not be dry enough for you in the city, and then you can see that moving northward out of the city. So after midnight, things quiet down pretty quickly, and then after that, we'll be talking about the cold pretty quickly. Talking about the cold, in fact. Breezy conditions heading into Wednesday. All my snow lovers out there, we're sandwiched between systems here heading into the weekend, maybe into next week. We'll keep an eye on that one. But otherwise, it's high pressure that's just going to keep us really, really cold. We're at 46 right now and a west-southwest wind at about 10. We're going to make it up to about 52 degrees this afternoon. Tomorrow, 50, but temperatures are dropping. Blustery and much colder here on Thursday. By Friday, really feeling that chill. Wind chills will stay in the 20s between Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend, where high temperatures will struggle to get to freezing. And we will keep an eye on that wintry potential here on Monday. All right, 4:50 now. Adele, what's guys? 45 degrees now at Central Park, 40 in White Plains, 43 in Merrick. We're down into the 30s in Islip, Sussex at 30 degrees right now, so a bit of a chill. So what we're waiting on is this system. So we still have several hours to go, a good 12 plus before we are watching that radar. But when we do, there could be a few thunderstorms, and across Central and South Jersey, Ocean County included, some may get a little gusty to that severe level. So a good day to have those warnings on your phone switched on. We'll be here, of course, by 1 o'clock, 51 degrees, still some sun peeking through even into the afternoon, 50 degrees at that point. By the time we get to 7 p.m. and beyond, it's scattered showers and a few thunderstorms with temperatures holding near 50 degrees. All right, at 5:01, want to check in
with Maria. See what's happening there, Maria.
Yeah, we're waiting on this system to roll on through, and when it does, those showers, even some thunderstorms will be rolling in as well. But we head to Greenwich, Connecticut. You can see dry beyond that. Still expected to see the cold by the weekend. An update on our snow chances next week in the 10-day.
Maria here tracking roads and rails and where you cannot drive. Right. And Storm 3-4's Maria LaRosa is here with a look at our changing weather.
I know. It is changing,
yeah.
And we are looking at the rain moving in, but more hours ago, so I want to get you ready for that. About 10 to almost 20 degrees in some cases colder, like White Plains, 14 degrees colder than 24 hours ago. We're sitting at 40, 45 right now at Central Park, 30 in Sussex, Poughkeepsie at 39. But along with the showers, even some rumbles of thunder. So again, with everyone outside, you just want to make sure you have a way to get those alerts. Central and South Jersey, some could get to that severe limit with those gusty winds and that heavy rain. But really, again, most of the day, a good solid 12 plus hours of dry weather. By 4 p.m., some sunshine still peaking through at 50 degrees. By the time we get to 7 p.m. through midnight, really, that's the window where those showers will move in. Temperatures will hold, though, upper 40s near 50 degrees. All right, at 5:31, so much to navigate.
December 31st, you see the impact I'm having right now on the animals. They're passing out.
I was just going to say, this is actual footage of me later today, and actually I'm on the other side of the couch. This is my sweet Kona. She loves
Kona
naps. Yes, but we got some dry conditions for those walks early on, and then of course the showers returning by this evening. How quickly they come back in the forecast after this, coming up in the 10-day.
All right, you tell Kona. Let's do that.
Midnights and what we've experienced. Yeah, this is pretty interesting, right? And it seems like
2017.
Do you remember that? That was crazy. 9 degrees. It feels like temperature was 4 below zero. But the other takeaway is that we've ranged from really chilly to pretty mild. In fact, 2022 was pretty mild. But we go back and forth between cloudy and clear and some light rain. So obviously we're kind of falling in that rain to mild category this year. We're still expecting midnight temperatures pretty close to 50 degrees. We'll call it mild. But know that if you're standing out for hours, it's going to be chilly by then, and of course the rainy conditions. So let's talk about that rain. It could be thunderstorms as well for some of us. Really be ready after 7 p.m. So again, most of today is nice and dry. We'll get some sun in early. By 7 p.m. through 9 p.m., that's the time where things kind of get fired up here. We could see some stronger thunderstorms across the Jersey Shore. You could see the heavy rain potential too with any of these that move through from Long Island, the city, Hudson Valley, Connecticut. This then continues to push. So after midnight, starting to dry out from Newark to Clinton and the city. There may be a few stragglers here tomorrow as far as showers go, especially north of the city for the afternoon and evening. And you can see some of that cooler air, maybe even some snow showers far north and west. But it's going to be really breezy and stay breezy. So for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we're talking those gusts that could be 30 plus miles per hour. And of course, with temperatures dropping, we still are counting on bitter cold. Looks pretty out there now with our beautiful tree. We're at 45 degrees. Again, heading up to the the low 50s with most of the day dry today. After today, we're dry through the weekend, but temperatures really dropping. Close to freezing for highs through the weekend. Still looking at that Monday time frame for maybe some wintry precipitation. Models are really pulling back on it right now, but temperatures otherwise still continue to lock in that cold, upper 20s for highs next week. All right, 5:49, Adele. Looks beautiful right there from Midtown to Lower Manhattan. We've got 45 now at Central Park, 42 at Merrick, 38 in White Plains, 29 in Sussex. So a good deal cooler than it was 24 hours ago, but we're still going to manage to have all the conditions in place for not just showers, but maybe some rumbles of thunder. And you see Ocean County heads up there. Some may get a little bit feistier. We're keep an eye on that severe threat, maybe some gusty winds at this point. So you can see through midday looking good, 51 degrees, some sun breaking out as well. That hangs on through the afternoon. Once the sun goes down, we'll be watching that radar to fill in with some showers and some thunderstorms during the evening. And you can see those shower chances take us right to midnight and a few hours after. So it is still looking like an unsettled start to 2025, but temperatures holding near 50. All right, it's 6:01 right now.
Maria, you're looking out over Times Square. Would it be that it just stayed just like that, right?
You know, yeah, looking up to clear skies. You got 2025. We're still looking at those showers moving in, but it's dry this morning, so timing is still for this evening. But after the ball drops, it is going to be much, much colder for 2025. Just how long and how low those temperatures go in the 10-day.
All right, Caballero, tracking our commuter alerts and no-go areas. And serving for us, Maria LaRosa here with, really, Maria, a changing forecast from what we're having right now.
Oh, it's two halves of the day for sure.
Yeah, it really
First
is.
half, really, really nice. Second half, it gets a little more interesting. Appreciate you guys and Happy New Year to Chopper 4. We have 45 now at Central Park. Nothing on the radar, but chilly. We have 38 in White Plains, 41 in Bridgeport. As I mentioned, the second half of the day, not as smooth sailing. We have the showers and some rumbles of thunder possible, so that's going to also raise that possibility of the heavier rain coming down with those. And Central and South Jersey especially, some may be on the severe side. So good day to get those alerts turned on your phone, or make sure you have them turned on, because it just looks so beautiful and peaceful right now from Point Pleasant Beach. So we'll keep the sunshine through this morning, 44 degrees through 9 a.m. Even through midday, sun breaks continue. Will be about 51 with partly sunny skies by 3 o'clock. After that, we'll start to see, especially south and west, some of those showers starting to move in on the radar by 6, 7 p.m. Fine-tune that timing in just a bit. But at 6:32, it's time to time out.
Check in with Maria, taking a look there. Times Square,
Nice and dry.
Nice and dry now.
For now, and dry for everybody for now. Even through the afternoon, we're going to see those temperatures climb into the low 50s. It will still be by the evening, so think 6, 7 p.m. that the showers start to come, and then the ball drops, and it's going to be turning much, much colder for a while. So we'll take a look at the temperatures coming up in the 10-day.
Maria, thank you so much.
47 in the city as of 7 a.m., but you can see nothing on the radar just yet. This is what we're tracking to roll through our area as we get into this evening. And in fact, there may be some thunderstorms along with it. And with people out and about, just got to make sure you've got your eye on the radar. We'll be watching it, especially central and South Jersey, where there may be some stronger ones, including maybe some of those gusty winds that reach the severe limits. Otherwise, a really nice first half of the day. We've got 51 by 2 p.m. with some sunshine, and that hangs on through the late afternoon. It will be by 6, 7 p.m. The showers move in, even that chance for some thunderstorms, and it does take us to midnight and just beyond. After that, we start to dry out, so much quieter start to 2025 heading into tonight. All right, let's get an update now on all those